Next, we will demonstrate the green plant section in the middle. I will briefly introduce the stitches used here. The main stitches used are satin stitch and chain stitch. There are also some chain stitches and straight stitches. The pistol stitch is used as an embellishment. Some parts have already been embroidered. The order of embroidery does not matter. Now let's take a look at the first stitch. The stitch used here is satin stitch. We taught satin stitch in S1. The stitch is relatively simple. It is also quite versatile. Here I am using 3 strands of floss, color number 2. The first flower pot satin stitch is complete. Now use 6 strands of floss, color number 3. Let's stitch the middle chain stitch section. Bring the needle through on the right side. Use color number 3 for the top and bottom. Use color number 2 for the middle line. After finishing the first layer, move the needle to the position below. Next, let's stitch the lower part. Bring the needle down at the end in the original position. We will now use 6 strands of floss, color number 2. Bring the needle through at the middle position. We will also use the chain stitch. Pay attention to keep the spacing of each stitch consistent. This will result in a better overall effect. Bring the needle down at the last stitch position. This completes our first small design. The cactus part above consists of 3 colors. The left side uses 3 strands of floss, color number 8. The stitch used is satin stitch. Other areas are also completed with satin stitch. Here I used 3 strands of floss, color number 9. This is how it is completed. The final part used 3 strands of floss, color number 7. Now use 5 strands of floss, color number 2. We will embroider the embellishment on the cactus. We are using straight stitch. Then use 2 strands of floss, color number 2. Stitch seed, stitch above the cactus. The stitch length does not need to be too large. A subtle effect is enough. Stitch about 2 to 3 times on each cactus. The first potted plant is completely finished. All right, let's demonstrate this green plant. We are now demonstrating this position. Using 3 strands of floss, color number 9, the stitch used is satin stitch. Now use 3 strands of floss, color number 7, to stitch this area. Note that the line arrangement here is horizontal. All right, here are the colors and strands, including the stitches. It is the same as these few places. All right, we have now completed it. The green part of the cactus is now complete. There is a similar stitch. It would be best if we could complete it together. This way, we will save more time. All right, let's stitch this area now. Both areas use 4 strands of floss, color number 3. First, we will stitch the area with color number 3, then the overlapping part on top. This will be added later. Now we can see these several places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also including here, we are using satin stitch techniques. These areas are now completed. Now switch to 6 strands of floss. Let's embroider in this area. We will use the chain stitch here. Our stitch length will be relatively loose. This ensures that it can cover the area above. After stitching, we need to adjust the length. Make it flush with this position. All right, we will now stitch this part below. We will also use the chain stitch. Here we will use 4 strands of floss. The embroidered effect is slightly finer than the one above. Okay, after we finish embroidering this line below, let's stitch its decorative line again. Stitch 2 straight stitches above and below the chain stitch. Okay, this can be a little looser. Then stitch 2 lines at the intersection. All right, the flower pot area is finished. Now let's stitch the pistil stitch on the cactus. I am using 2 strands of floss, color number 2. This creates a relatively small knot. So we only need to use 2 strands of floss. Bring the needle through the spot below, then wrap it around 2 times. You can freely add 2 to 3 pistil stitches. The bullion stitch on this cactus is complete. We still need to add a decorative line. We will use 1 strand of floss. Then do straight stitch on the surface of the cactus. Stitch shorter lines for decoration. This will make the entire potted plant more vibrant. This line does not need to be particularly long. It is also stitched on its surface. The length of the lines should not be uniform. This will look more natural. All right, we have finished all the embroidery. Now I will demonstrate this position. Used basket weave stitch. Let's take a look at these 2 places. Their stitching methods are the same. So here is the method for making it. This is the same as here. We are using 6 strands of floss, color number 6. Then we will start with the first layer. Bring the needle through at the far right position. First, stitch 4 strands of floss at this position. Then, use color number 3 with 6 strands of floss. Stitch a second round on top of this base. Start from the right side. Interlace the 4 strands of floss that were stitched before. After finishing the stitching, let's tidy it up a bit. Try to keep it to the right side. Every time we stitch a vertical line, we need to adjust its tension. We have completed this. Now I will demonstrate this area on the far right. These 3 areas are all done with satin stitch. The needle placement is all horizontal. This side is all vertical, but their stitching methods are the same. Here we use 6 strands of floss, color number 3. Here we need to stitch a chain stitch. This area should be left empty first. This way, we have completed the stitching. Bring the needle through the center to make a chain stitch. Okay, we will use 6 strands of floss, color number 6. Insert a chain stitch in the center position. The sides of this shape taper down a bit. This is good up to here. All right, this is completed. Then we will bring the needle through to this position. We will also use this chain stitch method. After finishing the stitching, there is still a little gap here. We will add a line here. Cover this gap. All right, we can stitch 2 rows of chain stitch on top. Do not bring the needle through at this corner for the chain stitch. You can come up a little higher. After finishing the stitching, let's adjust the stitch spacing. All right, it's finished now. There is a buttonhole stitch on both sides of the vase. We will start by stitching a buttonhole stitch from here. We will move the needle to the left. The decorative buttonhole stitch is finished. Now we will use 2 strands of floss to stitch the last green plant leaf part. Bring the needle through at the topmost point. Here we are using fern stitch. This stitch was taught in S2. All right, this little leaf is finished. Then we will stitch down from the top. If there is no complete section, we can just embroider one side. This way, we have finished embroidering this green plant. Finally, we will embellish this area. There is also the embellishment on the cactus. We will complete them together. We have finished the red part. The remaining seed stitch on these 2 cacti. Let's complete it now. Then bring the needle to the top of the middle one. Then we use 2 strands of floss, color number 10. Bring the needle through at the left position. Stitch a triangle. The straight stitch is complete. Okay, the S3 demonstration is complete. Let's take a look at the overall effect. The tutorial ends here. Thank you for watching.